In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can check to see if your workbook is compatible with earlier versions of Microsoft Excel. This is great if you are using a newer version of Excel, but you're sending it to somebody that doesn't have the newest version of Excel, and you want to make sure that the workbook is going to function the way that it should. To do this, go to File. Now from here, go to Info. And then from here, you're going to click on Check for Issues, and you're going to want to check compatibility right here. And here you can select versions to show. So right now it kind of defaults to checking compatibility issues with all other versions of Excel. But let's just say you only wanted to check Excel versions 2013 and newer. You can uncheck Excel 93, 307, 2007, and 2010. And now we're checking compatibility issues with some of these newer versions of Excel for 2013 through 2023. And then from here, we can see the significant loss of functionality of different items in Excel. And we can either click on Find in the workbook, or we can click on Help right here. To make this a bit easier to read, I'm going to click on Copy to New Sheet to put it in a new sheet. But before I do that, I do want to note is that you can have this little checkbox that will check compatibility when saving this workbook, which is great to have checked if this is something that you're doing frequently. So copy to new sheet. As you can see, we can see for example, a significant loss of functionality is one occurrence in summary G5, where one Resources workbook has a formula that's build or may use the flow feature, which will not be converted into legacy write formulas. As you can see, that's in summary G5 right here, where you use a unique function that's just not there in older versions of Excel. And same thing here, same issue with sort and unique. So sort and unique, it's saying, hey, the sort unique function, if you send this to somebody in using an older version of Excel, it's not going to work the way that you want it to. And it shows you how many occurrences are there, and also where it is happening, which is great because you can either A, go back and address these issues, B, remove them, or C, just make a note of it. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.